Hi, I'm Kamil from QuantumFit Labs. I'm here to present to you an application that's going to revolutionize your workout. Here is the app. Here we have an option to analyze your body. It's going to calculate your body fat level, and according to data you inserted, it's going to calculate your current state, and also it's going to predict your target. When the analysis is done, you are going to receive a detailed training program as well as a diet plan for the whole week. And here, the feature that we are proud of exercise analysis. Basically, you can record yourself with the camera during the training, and you will get the response if you perform the exercise correctly. If there's something wrong with the exercise, the AI is going to give you feedback.
Hello and welcome to the technical introduction of the QuantumFit. My name is Paweł Kołalewski and I was the main developer and also technical architect of this application. So first of all, let me show you the overall architecture of the app using the draw.io diagram. So what we have is the, let's say, React front-end mobile app, which is the kind of, let's say, the user interface of our application. And first of all, what you can see is the authentication system, which is connected with the Firebase. So as you can see here, we are using the Firebase and Firestore for storing the files, as well as we are using the Firebase storage database for managing, let's say, the user-related info, such as, for example, height, weight, and I don't know, gym, workout preference, etc., etc. So more or less, you can see this the structure of the front-end app. And in terms of the, let's say, connection with the AI, we are using our own Node.js backend, which you can see here actually. So for example, let's say that we already registered in the app, we have the account, and we want to send some kind of prompt either for the, let's say, body analysis, maybe generating training or diet list or analyzing your exercise. We are always doing this via our Node.js backend call, which is also deployed. So by the way, all of the changes that you can see in this submission, both the mobile application as well as the backend, as well as the database storage and everything else is deployed. So we can test it out easily in any time. Also, if you have some kind of questions, feel free to contact us. But anyway, so in terms of the applications, you can see we are sending the call to our let's say endpoint, which is actually some kind of a proxy for the Gemini AI connector. So on our backend, we have the connector with the Google Cloud. So we are using Google Vertex AI platform for that. And our backend is configured for that. So we can send both the image and text as well as the video, let's say, request to the Gemini Pro and Gemini Pro Vision. What else is that on the backend, we are also converting the image and video files to the base64 format in order to process it via the Gemini AI. And what else? Also on the backend, we have this TrueLens implementation where actually we experimented with testing our prompts, both for the body fat as well as the correctness of the exercise. And actually there is way more to come. We also considered using TrueLlama index for creating some kind of, let's say, database to control the correctness of the results that are going through the app. So more or less, this is how it works. And a few words about the TrueLens, more as actually, as you can see, our app is built fully in the JavaScript, actually TypeScript ecosystem, while TrueLens is mainly built with Python. So what we did is that this kind of, let's say, custom connector where actually we built a, let's say, a provider class, Gemini provider class, where if you go to, let's say, our backend repository, you can find here in some of the examples, I just say the most basic one. So as you can see here in this Gemini class constructor, we have this function, which is actually simple post request to our database, which has to run at the same, as you can see, we were still testing it on the local host. However, we see a lot of, let's say, huge potential here, and we really believe that we could connect those two things together. So this is some kind of, let's say, synergy between Python, TrueLens, and JavaScript based app. And what else? So you can also find the repositories here. We have 2 repositories, the one with the front-end code, where you can also find the QR codes. If you have the Expo app, you can just scan those QR codes and test the app on your, let's say, device, as well as this QuantumFit Gemini Vertex repo, where you can find the both Node.js backend as well as the TrueLens implementation.